Okay.
All right, rating chest.
Rating
Yeah,
chest.
we're probably gonna hit some chest.
Right.
What goes well with chest?
What are we here for?
Triceps. To get better.
To get better. Alright, let's get it. What are we drinking today? Got some monsters. There we go. Relax, buddy. Alright, so first exercise, we're doing some warm-ups. Getting some blood flow going. We look good today. Feeling good. Got some fresh shoes on. He looks 30 years old. Second set. Doing some 60 pounds on the Arsenal. Looks good. Definitely. So, Larry Wheels would say something like, perfect. Nice. Looks good. Good. Alright. Intensity builds the muscle. Mr. Natural right here. We're about to be Mr. Anabolic at Christmas time. Nice. That's good. I know this camera's good. Good work. Nice. Nice. Great work. Alright, so we're warming up on some super fitness stand-in chest press extreme machine here. You want to bring it up some?
Yeah. Well,
I think if you bring it up, it's going to be too much shoulders.
yeah, because this is. I'm trying to hit through.
Alright, dude. You're not a scientist. Relax. Yeah, only a 35. It's going to stack 35s. It's an odd technique. Looks good. We go up. Alright, so he's got a plate and a 35 on it. Not that low. Yeah, right there. Find your chest, man. Yeah, right here. That's what you're looking for. Oh, right there. That's what you're looking for. Yep, there you go. That's your chest. Stop using your big, darn shoulders. Good. There it is. He just found his chest. Let him cook. Good. Here we go. Get it. 35, 25, and 45. There we go. Let's go. Good. Hit it. Hey, press. Good. Good work. Oh. Good. Come on. Here we go. Good. Let's get one more. Come on. Come on. Hey. I had to use all my weight, dude. Alright. Next exercise is going to be live. Chest flies. We're trying to hit like the pectoral major. Lower chest type stuff, you know what I mean? The higher that grip goes, the higher the chest you're gonna hit. Looks good though. Just feeling it out. Nice. Good. Get ready. Screws. Come on. Hey. Follow. Hey. Nice. Good work. Hey. Good. More flat. Yep. There you go. Right there. Ah. Good. Good. Moving monster. Build your houses upon stone and rock. Nice. Good work. Nice. Let's get them flat. Come on. Good. Come on. Let's get a tank. Hey, good work. There it is. Come on. Good. Good work. Alright. Good foot. Nice. Turn your hands. There you go. Yep, you're going to stretch this inner part here. That's what you're trying to feel. Turn your hands, boy. The other way. There you go. There it is. Good work. Nice. Alright. Heavy. Definitely gonna be heavy here. Good. Yep. Turn your thumbs off more. There you go. Nice. Good work. Plant your feet. Nice. Good shit. Nice. Good. That's it. Good. Alright, he's good. These are called expert force reps. Nice. Cool. Nice. Alright, we got 170 loaded up. Good. Let's go. Nice. Good work. Alright. Looking big. Alright. Alright.
Still it.
You're down.
Still it.
Nice. New challenge, 70 for 70 reps, starting now.
I'm not getting 7, bro.
Here we go. Nice. Little bird. Nice. Just drop the weight. The drop set continues. Let's get 20. Come on. 2, 3. Oh. Hey. 6, 7, 8. No, doesn't count. Sorry, dude. No, doesn't count. Sorry, dude. Good angle. Take a step under that light a little bit. There you go. Rotate them hands back.